better than I thought I could. Nothing's wrong, nothing's hard, just a really good day so far. Today I'm feeling so good, and I don't wanna be anywhere else. Honestly, I think it's just one of those days where everything just clicks. Today I'm feeling so good, better than I thought I could. Nothing's wrong, nothing's hard, just a really good day so far. Today I'm feeling so